Bad Habit, Series 33, Spin Master Monster Jam. Bad Habit is in Arena Favorites. The other trucks in this series is Captain's Curse, Gravedigger, Recreation, Avenger, Bakugan Dragonoid, Sparkle Smash, Zombie, and Grease Trap. I would say for 2023, this is the most anticipated truck for me to wait to get Bad Habit. It's been over 10 years since Bad Habit has been in this Monster Jam diecast toy line. And this is the version of the Jeep Gladiator of Bad Habit. Joe Sylvester is also a multi-genius Book of World Records holder, and he is also a Young Guns shootout champion. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Out of the package, here is Bad Habit. And we're going to start off with those purple beadlock rings around the wheel and tires. We get no BKT lettering on the tires, the white lettering. That's what I'm talking about. The base of the truck is black, and the roll cage is in orange. Let's go ahead and talk about this truck. Now, this design of the truck is not perfectly like a Jeep Gladiator truck, but it is the most accurate detailed that they could do. Now, there is some positives and negatives about this body and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and review that, but let's go ahead. We get the name of the truck, a Bad Habit there on the sides, the flames going on the side of the truck back here. We get a sponsor. I don't know, it might be Rockstar, but I could be wrong. And then this part of the wheel well is not as colorful. It's just pretty much just flat black. But then going into the front now, front end of the truck, we get those triangles, which are very much similar to, I believe, like a stunt truck or something like that. But in real life, they are circular for Bad Habit, and they are green. So that's one of the things. And this right here, this orange part right here on the diecast truck wouldn't be on Bad Habit. Going up here on the hood of the truck, we get those flames and a sponsor of Linking Welders. Looking very cool. And then the windshield right there. And then we got this light bar up top, which he doesn't run on the Bad Habit. They did the best job that they could, I guess, with the body and working with Spin Master. On the back of the tailgate, we get a sponsor of a dealership. It's a little bit blurry. Now, this actually flips up back here. So you get like a flips up. That is interesting. This is my first time of having something like this to flip up the trunk. So that would not be a part of the Jeep Gladiator. And then back here is just a plastic piece. You can see that also. Wrapping up this review of the Bad Habit diecast monster truck in the Monster Jam line. It is very cool to have a Bad Habit to be out in diecast monster truck form as a toy. And thank you for tuning in to Monster Truck Classics.